what the fuck is that? Nigga.
The train run out of gas?
Like,
Shut your bitch ass up.
nigga, you try it.
We gotta go down. Nigga, you have to go down.
Hey, we can go down this way.
Fuck it, I'm gonna jump.
Do it, nigga. I'll give you $1 million if you can do it.
You're tweaking.
No, I'm not.
It was right there.
Okay, but it's still on.
No, it was right there, dude.
It had to be right there.
Yeah.
Brother,
I'm saying, goes on, he's a bitch. He's a bitch. Fuck him out. He's fucking sturdy, pussy.
Marsha, what the fuck is that? Looking ass nigga.
Yeah, I would have go for that shit too.
Oh, they got little fireflies out here.
Yeah. I actually never knew that. I don't know why I said yeah. Nigga want to say yeah because, like,
bro, what are you talking about?
Where?
Yeah, we took a photo with a, you got a photo with a homeless nigga over here. He don't never posted it.
Why he ain't posted? We probably would have got some more.
I tried telling him.
damn, bro. I want to go get pizza, bro.
No, I want to get the cinnamon thing.
Are you dead ass, bro?
Yeah, this is good as fuck.
You want to get cinnamons right now at 10:30.
What?
Nigga, it's 10:30 right now.
No, it's 8. Shit goes at 10, so we got
Oh, that's crazy.
I say go there by like,
Come on, man. You see the horns right there?
Oh, yeah.
Nigga, we do this because he be.
You can look at his foot.
You guys people on that train?
Oh my
You
god.
think there are people on the train?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Say I won't turn out like that.
I'm gonna run that bitch.
Nigga, you can't run through there, bro. You don't know what's through there.
If I was homeless and I need to move somewhere, I'll do this. I'll do this shit.
Yeah, you saying this now, but like, where? Where?
I'm gonna land on one of these bitches.
No, I'm saying where? Nigga,
The train run out of gas?
the train run out of gas.
I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like,
I don't know what they run off of now.
I don't know what they run on. I just assumed it was
I
gas.
I thought it was still coal, or like, or diesels or something. That's a lot of fucking gas, nigga.
Hey, bro, nigga, trains are probably expensive as hell.
Really, nigga?
I just scream it. Bro, if I was homeless, I would jump on it.
You finna be bad, bro. You finna do something. He finna do something. He's finna do something.
But it's old as fuck, dude. They probably used to get the slaves and goddamn rammed it.
He got wires.
One more time, Marco. You think that works? Just hope. Nice scooter, man.
It's my flight. That ass bitch told me I don't play nice. And I'm like, damn, ho, you might be right.